Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to allow WhatsApp access to your contacts on your iPhone running iOS 18. So if you recently installed WhatsApp on your iPhone and you want to allow it access to the contacts, then let me show you how to do this. So on your iPhone, you want to first go ahead and open up Settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see Apps. Then you want to scroll down until you come to WhatsApp. So I'll tap on W at the right hand side. I'll find WhatsApp, tap on it. Now here where it says allow WhatsApp access to, you need to find contacts. As it reads, it has none, so it has no contact access. So go ahead and tap on that. And now here you need to allow full access to your contacts. So go ahead and choose full access. Now go back. Now when you go back to your WhatsApp, tap on the plus sign, you'll be able to see the contacts through the WhatsApp app. And there you go. That is how to allow WhatsApp access to your contacts on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.